Good morning, mathematicians. You have been really rocking this shape chapter, so we're going to get it finished up so you can show what you know and we can move on because you guys are pretty amazing. All right, so here I have our shape show what you know job. Are you ready? Remember, this is the one where I just tell you the job. You press pause if you need to. And also remember, look for that shiny light thing to help with the dimensions. All right. It's pretty clear on this one. They're significantly darker if they're flat. All right, look next to number 1. Make sure your name is on top so I know whose it is. You're going to circle any 3-dimensional shapes that might be a little bit lighter and shinier. And you're going to put a box around 2-dimensional shapes. Remember, Miss Sammy, you can do line, line, across the top, across the bottom, and it will look more like a box and less like a circle. Circle the 3-dimensional shapes, put a box around the 2-dimensional shapes. Okay, for number 2, this shape rolls. Circle the other shapes that roll next to it. Okay, for number 3, circle the cube. One of these is a cube. Circle the cube and draw a box around the sphere. Circle the cube, draw a box around the sphere. Okay, last on this page. Circle the cone down here in the bottom. Circle the cone and draw a box around the cylinder. Circle the cone, draw a box around the cylinder. Okay, we built some shapes, remember? We used different materials and did some building. You build a shape that has 6 square flat surfaces. 6 square flat surfaces. Circle the shape you built. Okay, right here in this picture, your job is to circle the cone that is below the cylinder. Circle the cone below the cylinder. Okay, you might remember this job. You're going to make a stack of these 3 objects. You're going to write a number 1 under the one that you placed first at the bottom of the stack, a number 2 on the one you place in the middle, and a number 3 on the one you're going to place on top. Number 1 is the bottom, number 2 is the middle, number 3 is on top. All right, somebody built Rapunzel's tower. Circle the shapes you would need to make Rapunzel's tower. Somebody built it. What shapes would you need to make it? Circle them. All right, that's it. Easy peasy math today, huh? I can't wait to see what you know. Make sure your name's on top.